Hi there and welcome. I'm Lena, your virtual host for today. Thanks for joining our seminar series on data and AI. If you're in manufacturing, whether you're in planning, operations, maintenance, or IT, this session is for you. Today, we're diving into how manufacturers are starting to use generative AI and why now is the right time. In manufacturing, data comes from everywhere: production lines, quality inspections, inventory, logistics, you name it. This data is critical for planning, decision-making, and staying competitive. As companies continue to digitize their operations, the volume and complexity of data is rapidly increasing. In manufacturing, teams are now dealing with many different types of data: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. Data from different systems on-premise, cloud, or hybrid. Data that's updated in real time or in batches. And across both master data and transactional records. This diversity makes it harder to extract meaningful insights. As data volume and complexity increase, teams face real pressure to make sense of it all. Manual analysis is no longer enough, especially in environments with limited staff and fragmented systems. That's where generative AI comes in. It helps you handle the complexity, process data faster, and focus on making smarter decisions. Up next, we'll explore how generative AI turns complex data into clear insights.